Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a beautiful girl standing inside the living room and also with the bright situation or the bright light. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the ghost version of her. For example, that she has the glowing blue eyes and also the pose and also the outfit can be transformed totally and also the ambience over here. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. And if you would like to do the photo editing with the Gemini AI, then it is pretty okay. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email and you can activate the Nano Banana. And for example, I will try it from this one, and after that I will upload the picture that I will change, for example this one. And after that you can start to put the prompt into the section. For example, you can start to add the detail like cinematic photorealistic hyper detail 8K Unreal Engine 5 render octane render trending art station, a semi-transparent eternal ghost clearly recognizable from the attached photos feature but translucent at the spectral. Her eyes or its eyes glows with the intense piercing electric blue light casting subtle luminescence onto face like this, and also the ghost position slightly off center leaning forward with a subtle and intriguing gaze as if the beckoning the viewer. And also the background will be the soft deep indigo blue fog like this. This is the sheer blue fog, and also swirling gently creating depth and mysterious atmosphere, of course, because it is about the Halloween vibe. And also with the subtle hints of bare twisted tree branches. This is for the additional background or the accessories to add more the, let's say, the spooky vibe. And after that you can add the dramatic high, let's say high contrast cinematic lighting with the soft frame lighting emphasizing the ghost spectral edge and creating a halo effect. So basically there is the sheer light of white surrounding this woman upper over here. It's like the halo. And overall color palette is dominated by the cool blues, deep indigos, and hints of ghostly white with the vibrant electric blue eyes, providing the striking focal point. And you can add more detail like this. Volumetric fog and subtle dust particles are illuminated by the light, enhancing the spooky Halloween vibes, and rays tracing ultra detailed texture. And you can add the negative prompt like this: no text, watermark, or blurry, bad anatomy, cartoonish, childish, and overly gory. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the process. And basically that the output was based on this prompt, guys. And you can also get another version of the generation process, and this is the look or the another output with the same prompt, guys. But if you feel like really dissatisfied or not really satisfied with the output, then it is very okay. You can click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another output. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.